Hello, my little kids. How are you? Today we learn
months of the year.
the first month is January. J A N U A R Y. January.
January.
Very good, children. Next month is February. F E B R U A R Y. February. बोलो शाबाश.
February.
Third month is March. M A R C H. Speak loudly.
March.
Next month is April. A P R I L. April. बोलो मेरे साथ बच्चों. शाबाश.
April.
Then fifth month is very short and sweet. It's May. M A Y.
May.
Next month is June. J U N E.
June.
And now coming July. J U L Y.
July.
जुलाई के बाद क्या आएगा? शाबाश. अगस्त. A U G U S T. बोलो मेरे साथ बच्चों. अगस्त.
August.
And next month is September. S E P T E M B E R.
September.
और सितंबर के बाद आएगा अक्टूबर. O C T O B E R. Speak loudly, children.
October.
Next is November. N O V E M B E R.
November.
And this is our last month, December. D E C E M B E R.
December.
Friends, these are our 12 months of the year.
नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी लर्न करेंगे. उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें.